everybody, welcome to another episode on the AI Guide, where we focus on the human impact of AI, and another human impact story for this week. And the story is from Future Ride. Burro's Grand Plans is the name of the article. For decades now, the agricultural sector has been tackling the challenges around labor shortages and the need for greater productivity by introducing autonomy. So let's focus on the issue of labor shortages for a while. First, there's a very long-term trend of people leaving farming and going to the city, especially younger folks. Many younger people today don't want to farm, creating family farm worker shortages. Separately, on the huge farms, particularly in California, but other places, much of the manual labor was done by seasonal immigrants. And as you might guess, given the last 5 to 10 years, it's become more and more difficult for those seasonal immigrants to enter the company to do this work. That's why there's a labor shortage in farming. So back to the article. However, harvesting, especially for labor-intensive specialty crops, has proven to be one of the more difficult things to automate. One company, Philadelphia-based Burro, has taken on that specific use case challenge with carrying and harvest assist cobots, which are collaborative robots that work with humans, for crops like table grapes, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and persimmons. Founded in 2017, the company began with a mobility platform designed to help customers overcome the challenges of rising wages and shrinking workforces. It says it is the first collaborative robot platform to work safely and reliably outdoors alongside human workers. Now, when they say that, they may be referring to the US, because my viewers know I've done a segment on a company in France that is also building fully automated and cobot robots to help with grape harvesting and raspberry harvesting. Few robotics companies have successfully scaled outdoors into industries like agriculture, nurseries, and construction, where trillions of dollars are spent annually on labor, said Charlie Anderson, CEO of Burro. So then they talk about a summit they just had, the Agriculture and Robotics Summit. Summit attendees discussed ways to transform the agriculture sector using robotics and automation to address key challenges like decarbonization, resilience, decentralization, population trends, and intensifying labor shortages. And the population trends goes back to that long-term decline in the number of people working on farms. According to Burro, two significant operational challenges facing the portion of the agriculture industry it serves are an unprecedented shortage of laborers and reliance on conveyor belts. Conveyor belts are heavy, cumbersome, and can pose an injury risk to workers during setup and breakdown. The company says its robots mitigate labor shortages by enabling force multiplication of workers and taking on the burden of carrying and towing heavy loads, while also boosting profitability. The company has hundreds of robots deployed globally now in support of farms, greenhouses, and nurseries. Today, the company has more than 300 harvest assist robots in nurseries and permanent crops where they tow trailers autonomously. So they call them a cobot because they're working around humans, but they're fully autonomous, these robots. With over 75,000 autonomous miles in paid commercial use and more than 300,000 hours of operation, Burro's reliability and scalability have been continuously enhanced, positioning the company for expansion into new markets and regions. Burro says it offers the leading plug-and-play autonomous robot that works immediately out of the box and empowers users on a job site to be up and running with very little training. That's a great feature. Near instant use with very little training. The The company's offerings do not require centralized control. My viewers likewise know that a lot of agricultural robotics right now are humans driving from a central location. That is not this. This is fully autonomous. Its robots use computer vision with or without high precision RTK GPS, AI, and now LiDAR to learn and navigate autonomously. They use AI to understand their surroundings and safely travel. The company claims they have proven to help agricultural clients realize improvements in efficiencies of up to 40%. So that is huge and probably unprecedented since the invention of the tractor. We have built a world-class product based upon state-of-the-art autonomous AI technology. The company just closed a $24 million Series B. That's second round of venture funding. With this funding, we will deliver solutions for real-world problems distributed worldwide. What sets Burro apart among the robotics sector is the team's brilliant vision for augmenting, not replacing labor with machines that work safely and reliably outdoors alongside humans, exponentially increasing efficiency and production, said one of the VCs that just helped fund the company. We are especially excited about how Burro has brought automation to the agriculture sector, said a second VC in the funding round. With their unique approach, burros can work year-round, combating the innate seasonality of work outdoors by operating in a variety of crops and performing multiple tasks with one platform. While Burro has been growing in the U.S. within the berry and grape farming sectors and at nurseries, the company is looking to take an even bigger portion of the $1.2 trillion U.S. outdoor labor market. That's $1.2 trillion of wages a year for outdoor work. That's a monster number. In January, it introduced the all-electric Grande, its most powerful labor-saving robot, which can carry or tow heavy loads over multiple types of terrain for up to 15 miles between charges. That's really great range improvement. The Grande expands the company's range beyond the current people scale to a true pallet scale vehicle, which makes it much more efficient than previous robots. It features 4 stereo camera units for 12 total cameras, RTK GPS, and 3D LiDAR. The Grande allows equipment operators to step away from the tractor or utility task vehicle seat. Saving valuable labor means that they don't have to have a person on these things. Releasing this groundbreaking robot to market means that growers have a proven, viable alternative to increasingly expensive and scarce workforce options. Burro CTO Guillermo Pita-Gil shared a recent YouTube video showing the Grande testing at about 3 times its official rating. It's rated to pull 5,000 pounds, but actually was pulling 15,000. Which is a huge load. This is very impressive. This really is a leap forward in agricultural robotics. For most applications, the robot follows its human to learn a route, taking a few minutes to train, and then is fully autonomous. Company engineers developed a way to map the site, adding LiDAR to their previous camera-only focus system. The data are shared automatically with all the robots in an operation, and updates on new conditions are sent to the others. Grande customers started getting their first deliveries last month. So as you can see, this is, as a TED speaker just said last month, the beginning of a massive wave of robots hitting the market. As I've repeatedly said, they will be everywhere. But in this example, Burro has upped the game by perfecting robots that can pull huge loads in the field, thereby increasing harvesting efficiency significantly without additional manpower. This is big stuff, people. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Particularly share to your friends. Help get the word out there. Also, Please support us on Patreon. We need your support to be able to go to TED AI in October and attend other conferences where cutting-edge AI-enabled things are being debuted monthly now. So thanks so much for tuning in. See you next time. Take care. Bye.